everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today I'm going to show you how to log into American Military University. American Military University is a private for-profit distance learning college that is a part of the American public university system. To log into your account, go to your web browser and type www.amu.apus.edu and enter. Doing this will take you to a page like this, which is called the official web page. Click on the login button on the top right hand side. You'll need to choose whether you are a student, a faculty member, or an alumni. Click on any one of these and you will reach to its login page. Enter your student ID here. Next, enter your password. Make sure you've entered your information correct. If you don't remember your password or ID, click on Forgot ID for ID, and for password, click on Forgot Password. If you have all the information correct, click on the Submit button over here and you'll be logged into your AMU. If you think this tutorial was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates from us. I'll be back again with more login help videos. Till then, goodbye.